Welcome back to Yukie Coco channel. Soup is a nourishing and quick meal that warms up our body and heart. Even the weather starts to warm, soup can give you the power to start your day and protect you from the strong air conditioning. Today, rather than give you a complicated recipe, I've got a simple and quick recipe for pumpkin soup. When we make vegetable soup, we need a hand blender or food processor most of the time. But the noise can be troublesome when we use it in the morning or late at night. For today's video, I use my kitchen tool called Suribachi and Surikogi. Suribachi is a mortar and Surikogi is a pestle. I want to show you these kitchen tools along with my recipe. Let's begin. Nothing better than minimizing the time for cooking. The best way is to microwave the pumpkin. Today I use 300 grams of pumpkin. Wrap the pumpkin with saran wrap and put it in the microwave. Microwave about 5 minutes at 600 watts. When it's done, let it cool just enough that you can remove the pumpkin skin with your knife. The next step, start by getting rid of the pumpkin seeds with a table knife, then continue to peel the skin. Pumpkin is always available regardless of the season, as pumpkin is suitable for long-term storage. And that's why it's easy to import them from other countries. I often find pumpkins from New Zealand. When peeling the pumpkin skin is done, continue to knead your milk 100 ml and pour about a half of milk into a mortar called Suribachi. Start by moving the pestle called Surikogi to crush a big chunk of pumpkin. You can use a masher and a bowl instead. What's special about Suribachi is having ridges lined into the interior. The original form of Suribachi and Surikogi was brought from China, and ridges were invented about 800 years ago. It's effective at grinding, especially for nuts and seeds and also fish meat. You can find products that were originally made with Suribachi and Surikogi at a supermarket. That is surimi, which is widely available. Surimi is made through the process of grinding, beating the fish meat and knead with starch, egg white, seasonings, and vegetable oil, and then shaping crab meat and fish balls. As you might notice, the sound suri is shared by three words: Suribachi, Surikogi, and surimi. Suri means grinding or beating in Japanese. Let's back to the soup. After smashing the chunk of the pumpkin, move to the grinding movement to beat the fiber. Keep continuing this movement until the pumpkin became a nice and smooth paste. Take out the spatula and remove the paste from Surikogi and transfer the paste to a pan. Continue to add 10 grams of butter, 1 chicken or vegetable broth cube, and the rest of the milk. Stir the soup and heat it slowly. Please adjust to your favorable consistency by adding milk. Pour the soup to a cup and toss a pinch of rosemary to finish up. Serve a piece of bread along with the soup.